application that we're reviewing. And at the top here, you add the start drawing option where you can pretty much start drawing your pictures or anything that you want to draw. Let's say you have a photo of something that you want to draw. You can pretty much use the photo to sketch option. All you have to do is select that option and allow the access to your storage, and select whichever image or take a picture of the image or anything that you want to draw, and it will create a sketch of it. Very, very simple. You have the next option down here where you can pretty much upload or add a text, type of text that you want to draw as well. You can pretty much select the font for that text. As you can see down here, you can select whichever font you want to use. And once you have entered what you want to draw, let's say for example I want to draw this here, and I'm going to just select any font, and you just tap on draw now option, and it will pretty much just load up the camera option for you to start drawing. It needs to add. So once the ads is finished, you just allow the access to use camera, and you're pretty much good to go. So it will just show the text, like it will just show text over the camera feature there. Here you have the drawing option. Here you can pretty much go in this section and look for what you want to draw. Let's say you want to draw one of the famous anime characters. It's all depends upon you. Let me say guys, this has a lot of ads. I've been trying to navigate through this application and it's taking me a while because of the ads. So do keep that in mind when using the application. However, all you have to do is look for whichever anime character or whatever you want to draw. All of it just select whatever you want to draw, guys. So as you can see here, you have a lot of categories which you can choose from as it relates to what you want to draw, as you can see here. So these are pretty much some popular anime characters. As you can see, you have One Punch Man and some other characters within that movie here. So let's say for example I want to draw One Punch Man here. All I have to do is just tap on the One Punch Man picture here that I want to draw, and it will take a while to load because of the ads and so forth. Then tap on the try now option down here, not the order now, the try now. The order now is pretty much an ad, so make sure to tap on the try now option down here. Once you have selected that, you will then again see an ads, and all you have to do is just watch the ads and then exit off the ads. And as you can see here, you can either select whether you want to trace or sketch the image. So once you have selected which one out of these that you want to do, then you tap on draw now, not open. That's an ads. So once you have done that, we'll ask access to your video or to your camera. Just tap on allow, and it will pretty much load up everything that needs to be loaded up. And as I said guys, it's a lot of ads. Once you have selected that option, you will pretty much load up an ad. Just skip off the ads and then exit off. Here you'll be able to pretty much show you how the sketching feature works. And all you have to do is just follow this here and you're pretty much good to go. So very, very easy. And you have the camera option down here, which you can also use as well. So that's really pretty much it for this app. And if I've missed anything at all, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.